Hi there, I'm Ivo and I'm with Dutch EOS, a blog producer from the Netherlands. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Telos account and install Anchor Wallet. First off, let's create a Telos account. Go to this link. Here we are at the Telos web wallet interface. Create a new account, select create a new account. I've already made this account, so that's why it says the account at Wheel of Telos already exists. These are the keys that belong to your account. Save them in a notepad and keep that as safe as possible. Select I've copied my keys somewhere, I'm not a robot. Press continue. Now let's go to the next link to install Anchor Wallet. If you want to install Anchor Wallet on your desktop, click this link. I'll leave the link in the description box. Select this one, select install. Here we go, should be done in a few seconds. Select finish. Here we go. And now we go to set up an account. Click set up an account. Select your personal passwords. Here we go. That password. Now select the Telos network. And now we're going to import an existing account. I already got my private key copied to my clipboard, so I can select this. Select paste. And now we're gonna select the active one. In my case, it's Wheel of Telos 1 at active. Select import accounts. Password again. Authorize. And here we go. If this video was helpful to you, please like the video and maybe give us a follow on our socials. I'll leave those in the description box below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys all in the next one.